Hi everyone, it's Olivia from Girlybunches. Hope you're doing well. This week is a little quick vlog hello video because A, I haven't done one for a long time, and 2, I ran out of time to edit a video. It was my birthday just gone on Thursday, so I didn't feel like editing a video. I'm at my parents' house at the moment, and yeah, I wanted to spend time with family, not edit a video, so apologies. I haven't disappeared again. That's why I'm doing this video. So hello to all the new people. There's loads of new people who have subscribed. Thank you so much. And hello to all the people who have continued to stay with me. Thank you very much. I do appreciate it. I really do appreciate it. And I can't believe we've just gone over 45,000 subscribers. My head is blown away by that. I just can't comprehend that. So thank you so much to everyone who's taken the time to subscribe and share my videos and, you know, leave lovely comments. Thank you so much. I do really appreciate them. Yeah, I really do appreciate them more than you'll ever know. And I have been reading all the comments and replying as much as I could. Yeah, I'm really nervous actually making this video because it's been a long time since I've spoken to you guys. So I thought I would take this opportunity to kind of just say what happened last year. And, you know, I haven't gone anywhere. I'm still here. Yeah, so thank you to everyone who has stuck by me, and hello to all the new people. I will do more content, I promise. So yeah, last year wasn't too good. Didn't upload a video for quite a few months, which was, so I had been doing a video once a week for about, I suppose it was about 2 years, 2.5 years, and yeah, last year just wasn't too good for me. I had a few family things, which is still a little bit ongoing, but you know, under control a bit now, and also work just wasn't very good for me last year at all. Lots of upheavals, lots of different things happening at work. Still not ideal, but you know, I've kind of got into a better routine with it. So basically my office moved to about 50 miles away from where I live. And so I was stuck in the dilemma of, do I stay or do I go? They were very good about it, really. You know, they're letting me work from home 2 days a week, which in itself took a lot of adjustment to do, which I hopefully think I've come to sort of get used to, but you know, we'll just see. But yeah, that was just quite a difficult year all round, and unfortunately the videos suffered. So I can only apologise about that, but what I didn't want to do was put a video out thinking that it wasn't going to be any good, and it wouldn't have been, because I didn't even really make much for myself last year. I made a few bits and pieces for other people, but really I lost a lot of my crojo, as they call it. But it feels like it's back, and I feel like I'm back, and I'm enjoying making the videos again. Like before, I was a bit kind of daunted by it. It was just another tick in the box that I had to kind of tick before the end of the week, and I was just getting stressed about it. So I'm sorry, you know, the videos just suffered. So yeah, instead of putting out some rubbish content, I just didn't put anything out at all, which, you know, is kind of the way I am actually. If I don't want to do it, I don't do it. But I do want to do it. I'm back, and I, you know, like I said before, really appreciate everyone sticking around and all the lovely comments and etc., which I think I already just said. I might have said it. It's like my third take now. I don't know. So if I haven't said it, I might cut this bit out. If I have said it, oh, whatever. So anyway, thank you for all the lovely comments. Thank you for sticking by me. All the new subscribers, 45,000 of you. I cannot believe it. It is just amazing. Just a silly little crochet channel, but I do, you know, I can't believe it. So I do really appreciate it. And yeah, YouTube has come into the news quite a bit, hasn't it, recently? Not necessarily for good things. So yeah, that's a bit disappointing, all of that stuff. So if you haven't heard about it, good. Don't go looking for it. And if you have heard about it, I don't know what to say. I don't know what to say about the actions of some people, but we're not going to go in there because I'm not a drama channel. But I'm just pleased that there are channels that just do nice things, and we do have a nice community. So yeah, let's keep it that way, shall we? So I haven't really got anything to show you because I didn't really make too much, but I've got some ideas for some videos to come up. And I've also got some, I've never said this before, knitting videos, but what I did do last year when I wasn't doing crochet, I did get more into knitting. So I feel like I'm a bit more practiced with it. I think that's what was stopping me making the videos before, was because I didn't feel really like I'd done enough knitting recently to kind of warrant being able to kind of try and explain it. And that's no good, is it? So yeah, I did a bit more knitting. I've actually knitted a pair of socks, I knitted a pair of gloves. I might insert some pictures that I posted on Instagram, sort of here, there, or actually like instead of my face, of the stuff that I've been making. So if you haven't followed me on Instagram, or you're not on Instagram and you are on Instagram but you haven't followed me, I'm Girlybunches there. So I've been posting stuff that I've been doing there. One thing I did do last year actually, which was totally unexpected, didn't really think I was going to be getting into something like that at my time of life. Not really that I'm old, well, oldish. I learnt to play the ukulele, like you do, and I had so much fun. And because last year was a little bit difficult, it was just something really lovely to go and do once a week with a group of people, you know, new people, new friends, which is always a nice thing to do. And I learnt to play the ukulele, so I'm still learning. I've got a lot to learn. But yeah, that was one thing I did do. So if you're a little bit down in life, I cannot recommend highly enough a bit of crochet, a cup of tea, and learn to play the ukulele, okay? That order. Yeah, that was unexpected. So that was a nice different thing for me to do. Yeah, so just a little hello video this week. I'm not going to keep too much more of your time because I don't have much more else to say apart from thank you so much for your continued support. You'll never know how much that means to me. And yeah, video suggestions please in the box down below. I'm going to continue with the left-handed version of each video that I'll put out each week apart from this week, and I may start running the knitting videos maybe kind of in the middle of the week, to kind of get you going if that's the sort of thing you're interested in or would want to learn. And I'm going to try and mix up some other craft stuff this year because yeah, I just think I needed to kind of, I think that's why I learnt the ukulele or did something completely different, as I needed to do something different. So still going to be crochet, don't panic, that's not going away, but I definitely feel the need to kind of incorporate some different crafts and stuff going on. So any suggestions, description box down below. It's so difficult filming on a phone because I'm supposed to look here but actually I want to look there. Very confusing. Okay, so I'm going to stop now. I'm going to say one more time, thank you so much, and yeah, video suggestions, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.